Welcome to this video on OpenText Filr. In this video we're going to cover a feature of Filr Advanced called File Request. My name's Robin Redgrave. I'm a solutions consultant based out of the UK. File Request allows a user of Filr to send an email to someone with a link in that allows them to upload a file into the Filr environment. So this is very useful in the instance where maybe you've got someone with a large attachment to an email that gets bounced and they can't get it into your system. You can just send them a link, they click on the link and the file is uploaded. I use this quite a bit in my environment because I quite often have people who are trying to send log files that may be 20-30 meg in size, which can't normally be emailed because they're too big. The other thing about this is that when the file has been uploaded, the system generates an email to the requester so that they know that the file has been uploaded. You don't have to keep checking, has the file been uploaded or not? You'll get told. So let's just go through and have a look how to enable this and how to use it. So just go into the administration console and look at the share and comment settings. You have the file request settings, which by default is disabled. All you need to do is just enable it. Click OK. Let's just go back to where we were before. The great thing about this is that from the folder that I'm in at the time when I make the request, that's where the file is going to be placed. And you'll notice I've got a new icon up in the top right here to request a file. If I just click on that, I can type in the email address of the user I want to send this to. I can put in a message, so and I can specify an expiry day or indeed date there, and then I'll just send that request. So that's it, done. Very easy for the person sending the request. And there we are, you can see that's the message being delivered. Here I've got the messages come in. Obviously you can change these messages yourself by editing the email templates. But if I click on the link to upload the requested file, I can drag and drop a file, or indeed I can browse for a file. And let's just take this file, I'll say open, and then upload, and that's it, done. And in a moment you'll see I'll get the email telling me that it's been uploaded, and there we are. You can see that's just telling me that it has been uploaded. And if we just go back and have a look at this directory, if I refresh that, you can see there's that file that I uploaded. And just to make sure that it doesn't get mixed up with other people's files, it's put my email address at the beginning of the file name. So hopefully you can see there what a great feature this is to allow not just you to share information with other people, but allow other people to get information into you. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for listening.